if you've got one of these and you vacuum your pool with one of these, you've probably experienced that. I just did. And of course, it's the weekend. I can't get any parts to fix this thing. And I got people coming to use the pool. So this is what I came up with. A quick fix, just to pass along to all my pool people out there. I made one of these. Nothing but a piece of 1-inch PVC pipe. I used a little grinder to shape it. You could probably do it with a file and hacksaw. Take a little more time, but and then I drilled the holes through it to sit in here like this. And I will attempt with one hand to try to put the pin in. The regular pin will still fit all the way through the 1-inch PVC, like so. Yeah. The other end, drill your hole the opposite way. And this will fit in like so. Drill your holes all the way through. Make sure you clean the end of this pretty good too. I got that squared off and rounded. I like it to be able to pivot inside this pipe to give it a little more room to move around. I used a brass bolt that goes to a toilet flange. Comes up from the floor, holds the toilet in. I use that. My pool's salt water, so I need something that wouldn't rust or corrode too badly, or too quickly, I should say. And slide that through like that. Now the nice thing about this is you got this action too, as well as this action. Almost like a standard vacuum you would use in your home. So you can get in the corners and whatnot. Didn't have any type of stainless steel or brass nut, so the only thing I had about was this 1/4-inch elastic stop nut. Doesn't have to be tight. Just had to hold it on there. Oh boy, one-handed. There we go. And there you have it. Slide the pole on. Use the existing little nubs here. Quick fix. Took me about 20 minutes. Thanks.